What will the technological future be like? These are some realities that you will most likely have to deal with. One of the most prominent trends is the development of increasingly advanced artificial intelligence, AI, technologies. AI is already being used in a wide range of applications, from virtual assistants on our phones to medical diagnostic systems and autonomous cars. It is expected that AI will continue to become more sophisticated and capable of handling increasingly complex tasks. Another trend is the growing use of blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that enables secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. It is already being used in areas such as finance and logistics and has the potential to be used in a wide range of applications, including electronic voting and digital identity management. The increasing use of virtual and augmented reality technologies is also a trend that could shape the future. VR, virtual reality, and AR, augmented reality, technologies are already being used in gaming and entertainment, but there is potential to use them in areas such as education, training, and tourism. Another important trend is the development of sustainable and renewable technologies. As the climate crisis continues to intensify, technology is expected to play an important role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and creating a more sustainable world. This could include advances in areas such as renewable energy, energy storage, and electric transportation. Overall, it is likely that the technological future will be characterized by the continuous development of increasingly sophisticated and interconnected technologies that become more integrated into our everyday lives and address urgent global challenges such as the climate crisis and social inequalities. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave your opinion and subscribe to our channel for many more curiosities.